ensemo y'abalimi korwase kaunti ya Kisii nigo bagwekere gati ya monchereria inse y'oborai gose chikooperative gentokera chikobakonya gokinia ng'eri yabo gukwana chingi chigikare kyaba ase ensemo ya ATC ime y'omochio bosongo nigo bono baboririe serikali kobaikang'e kurigereria na kobakonya gwikerania magani abo buna baremia Olikito Daniel Ontiri noroboti rwa senchira y'ogwikira
nase ensemo ya ATC ensemo yokoena na megerio y'oboremi ime y'omochio bosongo ase gikaro kiabaretamo abaremi korwase chinsemo ao ime kaunti ya Kisii gikaro kiarengete kurigereria egati ya magani abo na gukora egati ya monchirio ase bikundi gose cooperatives ayo arache gokonya ase gukinia eng'eria ase miguko yabo.
Siku hii tulikuwa na annual delegates meeting ambayo tulikuwa na delegates wote from areas of representation. Leo ndio tulikuwa tunadeclare our financial books and see how we have performed.
Ase gikaro ekio kiaragwa no CEO wa Kenya pamoja sako asorosagia rwa Kisii Isaac Omwenga nigo chinga kejo bakwanira buya bwa moncheleyo azo gusiria obotaka sabarimi.
The amendments really have a greater bearing on the requirements of the Cooperatives Act because of what they want, and even the SASRA need they want to see the continuity of the circle, and these amendments are just there to ensure that there is continuity, and that is one of the requirements or the needs. What the regulator SASRA is trying to see that there is a continuity within the circle, and that these amendments are really supported by it.
Asense mwende abawaziri kurwase kaunti ya Kisii nigo barwese geto asa baremi kobeko mukia nabasaye basegetwa kubwatira koboko oboremi ase chinchira chekerero obunencheremo yukukinya ligesa
na sako imefanya. Hii sako imekuwa hapa Kisii kwa muda mrefu na imefanya mambo ambayo imeleta watu wengi katika hii sako na kuwapatia pesa ile ambao wanahitaji, na members wako active, na tumeona yale ambao wanafaa kufanya, na tumehakikisha sisi kama county tumeshirikiana nao kwa ile hali ya kuwasaidia wakulima wetu ndio wakwe na pesa ambao wanaweka kwa SACCOS.
Initially they shunned farming because of the traditional methods which they used to see their parents employing in farming. But with the modern equipments and the implements and the innovative ways, youths have started embracing farming. Like in our county, they are really into fish farming, and also we have seen them in the entire value chain participating in fish farming, and you will get them even in the market. So they are the people who have come up with innovative ways of going to the fish ponds where the fish ponds are. They are employing technology to carry out to get the fish and also to sell the fish.
Nkuripoterega taseni kiaga tembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii leterane ngurukwa Daniel Ontiri.